morning, boys and girls. Welcome back to your phonics lesson. Let me get some more light here. Okay, so you're all ready for your math lesson. And today we have another topic that we're learning in math today. We've been doing graphs and different kinds of graphs, pictographs, Venn diagrams, and bar graphs. Today, we are going to be talking about what is called area, okay? Now, the math word area refers to the number of square units needed to cover a surface. We're going to be starting with area, and then it's going to go on to different other things that follow that we use area for. So now, you may, if you have one available, is get a ruler and have a ruler. If you have a ruler with the inches and the centimeters, that will be great. If you don't worry about it. But you could measure some of our things with a ruler today that are on our worksheet. So a square, when we're talking about square inches, a square that is 1 inch, remember an inch is about this much? A square that is 1 inch on each side is called a square inch. So if I said that already, now I just described to you what a square inch. It's when you have a square and it's 1 inch on all 4 sides, it's called a square inch. So let's go ahead and take out our worksheet, and we're going to do the front and back together, page 299. So go ahead and get that out while I share my screen with you. Okay, and you could get your pencil out too, that would be great. And we're going to look at the top of our worksheet here. As soon as I get to it, there we are. Okay, so everybody's got this worksheet out, correct? Good. All right, at the top is the definition for area. Okay, area, when we use the math word area, it is the number of square units that cover a surface. Okay, so what I was talking about right here, this is a square inch. And if you have your ruler, you can measure all 4 sides and each side. So this side here is 1 inch, that side is 1 inch, that side is 1 inch, and that side is 1 inch. All 4 sides is 1 square inch, okay? So we would say that's 1 square inch. Now, let me see. Square inches are different than regular inches. Square inches are different. Regular inches are used to measure the length of an object, okay? And then a square inch is used to measure the area of a surface. So we use a ruler, we use inches to measure the length of how big something is, like your desk. Remember we measured with a ruler the length of your desk? Well, we use the square inch to measure the surface. So say you measure the length of your desk with a ruler, and then you want to see how many square inches. So you would get little 1 inch squares and see how many 1 inch squares would take up your whole desk. It would be a lot because an inch square is very small. It would be a lot, but that's going to measure the whole top of your desk. Your desk at school is what I'm talking about, if you recall. Okay, so that is the difference, all right? The other shapes, there's other shapes. We see the green square inches, and they're just shapes of, they're the area, and we can count how many shapes are in this area. So this green one, how many square inches is it? 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. It is 4 square inches, correct? Okay, let me see here. Something's going on with my screen. Okay, hi guys. Let me go back and share with the screen again. I'm not sure why it wasn't marking what I was showing on the paper, but let me try again. Okay. Still not. Bear with me, guys, please. Okay, there we go. Okay, so the green inches, square inches. How many are there? There's 4. The yellow, how many square inches are there? There are 4. And the red, how many square inches are there? There are 4. So again, each shape is different, but all have the same area, okay? Each one is different, but they all have the same area. And what was that? What was the area of all of them? 4 square inches, even though they were different shapes, right? Okay, so number 1, we're going to look at what is the area of the shape below? Write the number of square inches. So for number 1, how many square inches is that shape? You can count them. 1, 2, 3. Well, it's 3 square inches. Number 2, how many square inches is that shape? That's a shape, but how many square inches is it? It is 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 square inches. That's the area, okay? All right. What is the area of number 3? What's the area? Again, area means the number of square units that cover the surface. So that's why I say what's the area of it, because I want to know how many square inches cover that area. So how many is it? You go ahead and count number 3 and write in a number. Did you get 5 square inches? You are correct. Okay, let's go ahead and turn it to the back. Let me share my back with you. There we are. Okay, so let me read the top. Each shape is made of square centimeters. So is the square inch still? No, it's 1 square centimeter. What is the area of each shape? Write the number of square centimeters. So remember, are centimeters bigger or smaller than inches? Smaller, correct. Okay, so we're going to measure the area in square centimeters. And again, square centimeters it's 1 square centimeter on each side. So let's see, number 4. Let me make this bigger. Okay, let's count what the area is by counting the square centimeters. 1, 2, 1, 2. I'm not sure why this is. Hold on, guys. 1, 2. This is, okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It is 8 square centimeters. Number 5. What's the area of number 5? How many square centimeters is it? You count and write the number. Did you get 6? I did too. Okay, and what is the area of number 6? What's the area? Okay, remember, count carefully and maybe make a mark as you count them. Did you get 10? Yes, it is 10 square centimeters. Okay, now next direction. Circle the shape with the greater area. So which has a bigger area? Number 7. Okay, number 7, we have two choices. Which one is the bigger area? Well, this one is. We can visually see it, it's bigger, but just to make sure, you could always count. But it is the red one. Number 8, which is below, guys. The red and the black one. Which one's the bigger area? Which one is the bigger area? You circle what you think is the greater area. Greater means bigger. Which one is the greater area? Circle it. I'll wait for you. Okay, did you circle that one? Okay, good. Me too. And number 9, the pink or the orange one. Which one is the greater area? You go ahead and take a minute to circle it. Which one is greater? Did you choose this one? Good, awesome. Okay, boys and girls, so we discovered area today, okay? Now, remember, area is the number of square units to cover a surface, okay? All right, and that's how that's what we use. We use area to find out how big it is, okay? All right, boys and girls, that is it for today. If you did your phonics and your Bible and maybe some praise and worship, you are done. So tomorrow there's no work because tomorrow's Friday and it's a very special day. Special day. We want to make it a day all about our moms. Okay, boys and girls? We're making it all about our moms. Remember how we had I Love Dad Day at school? Well, this is your mom's day. So all the things that we talked about in class about I Love Dad Day, well, I know you remember those things about what we do and what we don't do. Who can name something that we don't do on Dad's Day that we're not going to do on Mom's Day? Okay, I know you remember because you're so super smart. Okay, boys and girls, I will see you tomorrow for something special, but it's going to be a special, special day for one special person in your life. I will see you soon. Bye-bye.